Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. Today is my second day. As you all have know about that, I have taken challenges of 30 days and today is the second day. So it's an initial stage. So I am little bit confused that on which topic I have to speak. But suddenly I am making this video, you know, initially it's very difficult to find the topics and making video editing each and everything is very difficult, but I have made up my mind that at least 30 day first 30 day I will upload a random video. If I don't have any topics, then also they it will not affect on my mindset. So I have decided that then I will make the video on the random topics. So today I'm just talking about that like if I don't have any topic, then also I will make video. And today I am just talking about that I am just practicing English. It's an initial stage. So first at 30 day I will just click the videos on the randomly, and I will make it I will post it on a regular basis. So here there is no any person, so I am just making video alone. You can see there is no any person, there is no any person, so I am making this video by itself. So but the thing is, here I don't have a good camera and I don't have any mic. There is no any kind of facilities, and right now my mindset is completely different. I am a younger one in my family, and nobody is trusting me. But still, I have taken challenges that whatever I have decided that I will definitely do, because I don't want to prepare government exam somewhere. It's a literally very time taking, and I don't want to waste my time on this. A lot of things are there where I can grow, and it doesn't mean that if I don't want to prepare government exam, then I don't have any aim, I will not grow. No, it will not happen. I have a lot of things which I have already decided. Day by day you will get it that what exactly I want to do and what I am doing. So definitely you all will know about me, but right now I am just making video randomly, and you all understands me that initially how much it's difficult. And I hope that who has already on YouTube, then they must be recall their past. Especially initial 30 days, it was really very difficult. So I have just made up my mind, so anyhow I have to do that, although I have some other things as well. So right now I am getting time and I am making video alone. So after making video I have to edit it, and I don't know how can I put it down. Like a lot of things are there, so it's a really very time taken things, but somewhere I can learn here, which I really wanted to improve skills. So I was thinking for a long time, but right now I don't have time. Sorry, like I have completely time, I'm not doing any professional work. That's why I am saying like I have enough time. But when you stay at home, then you are plenty of works. It's not considered as a positive things, it would not be considered as a skills, but still it's a lot of household also household chores is going on the regular basis. So I am younger one, I have to do a lot of things as well. So I just wake up early in the morning and get free around 12 or 1 p.m. So after that I am thinking like on this topic I have to make video, or after that how will I edit it. So a lot of things are there. Let's see how will I make a video and how will I complete 30-day challenges. So it's also a very big task for me. And uh, I hope that that would be the beneficial, which I really want to is I want to improve. So this is the best platform, and I hope that uh, I will grow here uh, gradually.